Introducing Eidos from Bosch. Let your machine decide how much detergent you use.
Want to know your washing machine is using just the right amount of detergent for perfect results every time? I add enough detergent for around 20 washes and my Bosch does the rest. Sensors weigh the load and detect how dirty it is and then doses to match. Eidos even defines the length of wash and spin cycles and the number of rinses needed. Across the year, my Bosch saves up to 11 litres of detergent and 7,000 litres of water. That's how much you could be wasting by adding detergent manually or running unnecessary rinses.
Eidos from Bosch. The ideal amount of detergent and without you worrying.